Hey guys, so in this video, I wanted to run you through what is the lowest cost way to scrape leads. Now, there are many different options on the market, but I want to show you the cheapest ones that I have tested and I have used and I consistently use over and over again. So hopefully give you as much value in that sense so you can go and try these different providers out. Some of them are free, some of them are paid. In fact, one of them is free, the rest are paid. And I've talked about them in other videos, but I want to just put something together for quite literally the cheapest methods I found of scraping leads online. So first one is completely free, Instant Data Scraper. It's a little Pokemon ball here. Chrome extension, just literally type in Instant Data Scraper and it's Google Chrome extension, then add it, right? And it works very simply. It's got incredibly good reviews, like for being free, which is insane, to be honest. So if you're scraping anything, it's very simple to do. Quite literally, once you're on the page, you would just click on here, and it would basically allow you to locate like the pagination section. So basically the button that tells you when the next page is or where the next page is. So you can do that, and then it would allow you to just scrape. And then you can download a CSV or copy all. I've got other videos on my channel showing you how to do this kind of like step by step, but I just wanted to show you this is for free and you can scrape pretty much anything on the internet with this for free, right? It does have some bugs here and there, but it's free. So yeah, can't really complain in that sense. So that's number one. The second one, and this is actually my favorite as of right now, is called Aleads. So Aleads, it's an Apollo scraper / export. So this is very similar to the other ones that you have here, which is export Apollo leads magically, but this is actually cheaper. So you can see here the pricing is insane. So basically for every 1,000 leads, you're looking at $1, quite literally $1. So 10,000 contacts is $10. It's just incredibly cheap. And you're getting access to Apollo as well. So with Instant Data Scraper, you could then scrape like LinkedIn, etc. So you've got coverage there. But if you want to scrape Apollo, you don't even need a subscription to Apollo. You can have the free version of Apollo. You quite literally just need the search URL. So you build out your search parameters on Apollo, and then you would just, you build out your search parameters on Apollo, and then you would just literally copy paste the link into here. It's very simple on how to do it. I'm just going to use this as an example. I don't know, here, I'm showing 84K. So we'd go here, we'd go get your leads here, and then quite literally just fill in all of your details. When it comes up, yeah, so you just fill in your details here, click next, copy paste the link, then run through the just questions. It's got like 2 or 3 things, name it, and then just do the payment, and it will send you the email within an hour of the leads. So if you're looking for a way to scrape like a large amount of leads, the pricing is incredibly cheap. Like I said, if you're looking for a way to scrape a large amount of leads, that's probably the best way that I would do it. There are another 2 alternatives if you want, and this is more just for like UI or your own preferences, but there's Export Apollo and Leads Magically. Again, I've used these Apollo Scraper Live. So this one here is they charge based on per 1,000. So it's, I think, $4 per 1,000. So 4 times more expensive. But to be honest, they send the leads quicker. So it really just depends on your preference in that sense. There's that. And then there's Export Apollo, which is cheaper than Leads Magically, but only after 8,000 contacts. So 1,000 contacts is $15, 2,000, $18. You compare this to Aleads. Aleads is quite literally 2,000 contacts is I think $5. So yeah, 10,000 contacts here is $30. There it's $10. So you're paying 3 times less with Aleads. So I would recommend using Aleads. Again, you might want to use these just because you have a preference for other things. But if you want to just keep it based on cost, then I would use Aleads. So yeah, so those are the main ways that I would say to scrape data. Instant Data Scraper can scrape anything, so Google Maps, Google Listings, Yelp, LinkedIn, any kind of data that you want to get. That's a great way to scrape data. And then the second way that I would use is if you're using Apollo, then I would use either one of these. I would most likely recommend Aleads. Aleads, in my opinion, it's just the cheapest one. It takes a little bit longer than the other ones, but it is extremely well priced. So yeah, those are the lowest cost ways that I found so far of scraping leads. And you can quite literally for here scrape 10,000 leads. And bear in mind, this is 10,000 leads with emails from Apollo, right? For $10. Honestly, you won't find anywhere cheaper than that. Even if you use Instant Data Scraper, you'll have a limit on Apollo as to how many leads you can actually scrape, because it doesn't allow you to go past, I think, 100 pages. You can't scrape more than 100 pages on Apollo. with instant data scraper, whereas with A-leads, it allows you to scrape as many leads as you've got in your search criteria, basically. So those are my recommendations. If you need help with building lead lists, that's what we do. We also do done for you lead generation campaigns to help you generate more leads, generate more revenue. We do it on a pay-per-call basis. If you're interested in doing that, then feel free to book in a call below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.